name is Esteban Zamudio. And my friend Robert Tapia. We are going to cook delicious omelette.
Delicious. The ingredients are
eggs, potatoes, salt, garlic, onion, and oil. Now we peel the potato.
Peel and cut the potatoes into slices.
Step 2. Cut the onion into julienne strips.
Crush the garlic with the salt.
Break the eggs into a bowl and add salt and bake them. Step 4. In a frying pan, add the oil over medium heat.
And the potatoes and cook for 6 minutes.
Step 6. Add the onion with the crushed garlic.
Cover and leave it on long flame for 5 minutes.
Step 8. Add the baked eggs and stir.
Slide over to cook and block sides. And finally with ladle. Okay teacher, okay guys, thank you for watching our video.
¿Qué vamos a hacer? Tú y yo ya son las 12. Como se me salga Rambo, mami, es pa' que goce.